Hi Shani Fannies, welcome to Educating Shani. I'm Shani and I'm recovering from an eating disorder. Hi Shani, hi. So I am out looking for a bird. I have to stop and get my watermelon and then I'm gonna go get a bird and I'm very excited about it and I thought I would take you with me, and today will just kind of be like a vlog video. So here we go, let's do it. Yay birds. Why is it so bright? Because of the sun. I hate the sun. Yes, I do. So much. Okay, goodbye. Look who's here, it's Jacqueline! Hello. This girl, I first met you at Little Caesars.
Yes.
And she watched my videos, and so I met her there. And then she came to work here at Fresh Market, which is like our favorite store. So I see her all the time, and since I'm vlogging today, we're gonna vlog, and it's so fun. Yes. Can you please tell them what happened?
About what?
Your head.
Oh, my head? I don't know if they can see my head, but I was working with boxes.
There it is. Do you see that? Scraping. She almost died. Not really.
I was working with boxes, and boxes fell on top of me, and yeah.
How many times?
Twice.
And did they land? I forget. Where did they land both times?
On the same spot.
The same spot.
Yeah.
We're actually twins.
Yes, we are.
She's just as clumsy as I am. We're gonna go say hi to her friend because I guess he loves you too. So welcome if you're watching
gaming videos.
We're waiting to talk to the cashier that loves you too. He doesn't look happy about it though, so.
No, he's tired. He's been working, he'll be working 16 hours today.
So, okay, hold on. I'll be back. So, she's freaking adorable. I love her. Hi! And the cashier guy, she has a crush on him. And apparently, he really loves YouTube and is obsessed with watching it. So, I'm gonna like put him on my channel and maybe he'll watch this video later. And then he'll know. And she gave me the okay to say this. So, bro, get it on. She has a crush on you. Not like that way, but like, ask her out. Do it. She's awesome. I love her. Okay, let's go meet him. I've been waiting for like 10 minutes to talk to this guy. His line is so busy, but I really want to get him on camera because it's really weird. He actually looks like Danny when Danny was a teenager. It's so bizarre. And I feel like she even looks a tiny bit like me sometimes, so I'm like, that's just the cutest couple in the world because they look like us. And everyone's staring, so that's normal. That's okay. I get you. She knows I'm talking about her. He's acting really like shy. I'm gonna try and sneak a peek of him from here. How about that? That's so weird. He looks just like Danny when he was a teenager. Where is she? There she is.
Oh, are you filming me?
No, not at all. Not even a little. She's so cute. She's so sweet. Okay, I have to go get my bird, so I'm just gonna tell her. I have to go. So okay. Say goodbye. Do you want to say anything to the internet?
Me? Okay.
I'm trying not to get her in it because I don't have her permission. You want to say anything?
Bye. It's good talking to you guys.
What's his name again?
John.
You want to say hi, John? she'll tell you where to watch it.
We'll tell him where to watch it.
Yes.
He'll come watch it.
Okay, I'm sure I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye. Okay, I'm at PetSmart now and let's go get myself a bird. Okay guys, I'm back and I got a little birdie. Look. Can you say hi? Can you say hi to the internet? You can't be scared of it, it's my job. Look how pretty you are. You're really, really not that scared, are you? That's so good. Come here. Can you come say hi? You gonna be brave? Hi. Oh, hi. You're really sweet. You get used to Mama's voice? You hear Mama? Who's Mama? I'm Mama. Going. Where you going? Where you going? I'll help you up. I'll help you up. Here you go. Hey, come here. You're so brave. Look at you. Look at you being all brave and sweet. You love Mama? Oh. Can't believe how fast she's warming up to me. Lemon won't even do this. Lemon hates me. Can you tell Lemon that I'm nice? She's so cute. Don't poop in my hair, okay? Say hi to the internet. You're gonna see them a lot. Just gonna take a nap? You're really sweet. Alright, I've brought her upstairs to one of Lemon's favorite spots. And she's already eating. You guys, this is not normal. You are not normal, and I love it. Are you just so brave? Just making yourself right at home? It usually takes days to get like this with new birds. They're usually very scared and skittish, but she's just making herself at home. You're so sweet all the time. We're gonna try and name you now. What should we name you? So originally the plan was to get a green bird, like a lime green bird, because we already have a bird, for those of you that don't know. Her name is Lemon, and she's like pure yellow. She's super gorgeous. And I've been wanting to get her a friend for a while, but so we've been looking at green birds to get her so we could get one that's named Lime, because that would be cute, Lemon and Lime. And that was the plan today, but then I got there and I saw this little one and she just connected with me, and I could tell that she wanted to come home with me, so she's the one. So we could do, like, berry would be cute with lemon too, like lemon berry, you know, or ice, like lemon ice, or icy, or something like that. Well, whatever your name is, I'll always call you Bubba, because I call all my birds Bubba. Hi, Bubba. Hi, baby girl. Okay, are you ready to go meet Lemon? Hey, she's gonna murder you. Are you ready? Where did you go? You're just not scared at all, huh? Are you kidding me with this bird? Where are you going? Baby. Baby birdie. What are you doing up there? Is that comfortable? Lemon, you got a new baby sister. Are you gonna be nice to her? You wanna come out and meet her? You gotta be nice, okay? You ready? Who's that? Who is it? Who is that? Hi. What the heck? Who is it? Can you say hi? That's a real bird, Lemon. That's not a mirror. You're not even scared. Were you meant to be? Are you gonna be a good big sister? Give her a kiss. Give her loves. Look. See how nice? Oh my gosh. I thought she would murder her right away. Are you just kind of confused? Huh? Are you wondering who that is? She's just taking a nap, making herself at home. This is the calmest Lemon has ever been. What the heck? Who is it? Is that your new best friend? Man, that new bird just doesn't give a crap about anything. She's like, hi, I'm napping. And Lemon's like, you're in my spot. Oh. Nice. Be nice. Be nice, Lemon. Be nice. Be nice to your sister. Are you confused? Do you see how soft she is? Do you see how she's not biting? See? There you go. It's really weird because the new bird doesn't talk. I haven't heard her talk or cry even once. So I'm hoping Lemon will get her talking. Can you go follow her? Go find her. You know how. Do you want Mama to take you? You want Mama to take you? You go. Who is it? Is it your friend? Hmm? Are you the sweetest little bird? Where are you going? Baby! Baby birdie! What are you doing up there? Is that comfortable? Hi guys. Sorry my live stream froze, but we're done anyway, so say goodnight.
Night-night.
We're gonna go spend time with our little babies now. And I might be back later. I love you guys. You're beautiful. You're worth it. And I am too. This is my favorite thing in the world. Birds, when they turn their neck around to sleep, to tuck in their beak and their feathers. It's the cutest thing.